Oh, I'm looking for a professor.
Hey, why don't you just go do this? Yeah.
I already did it. I made a website. Hey, let's see if anybody signed up. What? Oh, prank girl. A very pranking girl. Oh my gosh! They deleted my website. I'm gonna kill you guys. That was weird. I don't even know those guys. Hello? Huh? Hello, I am Professor Jazz. Yeah. I can be a professor. Sure. Okay. So, are you evil? Well, yes, I am. Sweet, but I'm evil too. I am an evil professor. We must make an evil allowance to stop the Mario Bros. And Beats and stuff. Mario Bros. And stuff. Yes. You know them? Yes, I do. My least favorite. So then, we shall destroy them. So then, I have a list of who can be in our evil allowance. Yeah. Mario and Waluigi, are they evil? Well, they're kind of evil, but they're kind of good. So we'll put them on our list as a question. Okay. Our next person is King Dedede. Wait, but where is King Dedede? Okay, he could be the last one on our list. I know his minions here. Waddle Dee. Yeah, he can be on our list. Meta Knight. He can be on our list. And all your minions. Oh yeah, we're gonna have the best stuff. I know. With an awesome professor like me, I am the best. Do you have a lot of training? Yes, I do. Okay. Okay, so then, who's that over there? I think it's Mario and Luigi. Okay, so then, what should we do?
I don't know.
Do you have a feeling?
No, not really.
So I have a feeling. Answer is up to no